Shwmae pawb, this year has seen some incredible achievements from our colleagues at Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. In this year in review video, we'd like to show some of our best moments that we can all be proud of. One of the best highlights of this year was when 4 of our projects were recognised for providing outstanding quality, having been nominated in the NHS Wales Awards. The supportive care team were delighted to receive the award for their work in putting patients at the centre of decisions, services and their own care. Through the Health Hero Award, patients recognised colleagues who had gone above and beyond in their care, highlighting the dedication and commitment of our staff. These are just some of our amazing health heroes. 4 of our awards have been presented with bronze accreditation under the Ward Accreditation and Improvement Programme. It recognises the dedication of the teams to delivering high standards of care and successfully using data-driven insights to implement meaningful improvements. We're so proud and thankful to have had the opportunity to showcase our staff's amazing work behind the scenes in the TV series BBC Saving Lives.
From now to later, Betty.
Okay, we're going to start drilling.
Tell your kids he's okay.
The public health team has done considerable work this year in smoking cessation with the Help Me Quit service, helping others lead happier and healthier lives.
And then it became 1 on the bus in and 1 on the bus home, and you're like, oh, I smoke 3 a day, maybe I should cut down. And you never do, and then 10 years later, you smoke 20 a day.
We encourage the public to protect themselves and their loved ones by taking up the opportunity to get vaccinated against flu and to decrease the number of infections spread in our hospitals. We rolled out our falls prevention classes, which were launched in Llys Herbert Care Home, helping residents with coordination and overall well-being.
I'm really surprised by the differences made.
I feel sure it helps keep my legs moving because we do a lot of leg exercises.
The specialist team at the University Hospital of Wales has improved access to healthcare for vulnerable people. They aim to offer more immediate and coordinated support for people experiencing homelessness and other inclusion health groups requiring urgent care. We opened the Hangout in Barry, a mental health and emotional well-being support hub for children and young people.
Over here is where we do our crafts, a nice space for kind of any activities or workshops that we do with young people.
We also opened the Sanctuary, our first non-clinical community-based and trauma-informed alternative to the emergency unit. The new mental health crisis facility offers a safe alternative space for anyone who is experiencing crisis or is in need of support. This year marks the first anniversary of our Safe at Home service. The service provides round-the-clock care for vulnerable people within their homes and to reduce hospital admissions.
With the help of you people, I would not be sitting in this chair today.
Acting for the future of resource management and infection control, we launched our Gloves Off campaign to encourage our staff to limit their use of gloves in the workplace.
In 2022 to 2023 alone, the Health Board's carbon emissions were an estimated 217,000 tonnes.
We installed no smoking loudspeakers for people to press should they spot anyone smoking on hospital grounds. When pressed, a message is played urging people to put out the cigarette or seek smoking cessation support via our Help Me Quit service. We worked with Miss Wales, Millie May Adams, to promote the importance of an HPV preventing vaccine
and protects you against genital warts. My name is Millie May, I am Miss Wales and a trainee doctor. I'm here to tell you how to show yourself some love this Valentine's Day by getting the HPV vaccine.
And finally, on World Children's Day, we launched the Babies, Children and Young Persons Plan 2025-2035 as part of our Shaping Our Future clinical services work. By working together, we created a plan that reflects their needs, aspirations and perspectives. I want to thank our wonderful colleagues and partners for providing their support and dedication this year. And I'm hopeful that our continued success into the future. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr.